Welcome to Seed to Life. I hope you're doing well and getting your multivitamins directly from the nature. Today I'm going to talk about one amazing looking plant that will not just beautify your dinner plate by its beautiful green and purple colors, but also can be a multivitamin and antioxidant in itself. Rich with antioxidants, dietary fibers, Malabar spinach can be a good source of vitamin A, C, B6, magnesium, iron and potassium. Isn't that great? I believe we should add such healthy nutrient-loaded foods to our daily diet. By adding that, we are not only adding the variety to our food but also decreasing the dependency on synthetic medicines by reducing the cholesterol, sugar and preventing other diseases resulting from poor diet. We are going to talk about Malabar spinach. It is a leafy vegetable that originated in India and Indonesia. The vegetable has adapted well in various geographies including the tropics of Asia, Africa and even in North America. In fact, it is a preferred plant of gardeners as it is extremely easy to grow, and if the weather is mild in your region, then you can grow it year round. Malabar spinach is known by various names like wine spinach, poi, welbendi, Poi Saag, Ceylon spinach, gandola, loquai, mongtai and many more. It is known as upodika in Sanskrit. There are two different varieties of Malabar spinach. One is with green stems and it is called Basella alba, and the other one has a beautiful pink and purple stems and it is called as Basella Rubra. I have Basella Rubra, that is red wine spinach. So in this video, I am going to share with you information about how to grow this spinach plant from seeds and care for it. In the part 2 of Malabar spinach video, I am going to show you how to grow these plants from cuttings and how to harvest the leaves. Normal spinach variety is usually a cold weather crop and it is grown in late fall and early spring. But Malabar spinach is a summer vegetable. It grows best at temperatures above 80 degrees Fahrenheit or 26 degrees Celsius. It can handle mild winter but dies when the temperature goes down below 35 degrees Fahrenheit. But there is something that I have realized from my own experience, that when the temperature is extremely high, like above 95 degrees Fahrenheit or 35 degrees Celsius, it again doesn't grow well. The plant won't die due to high heat, but it will start bolting. That means it will start producing seeds and then the leaves get smaller and smaller and you will be left with only stems to harvest. So I think it is important to cover the plant or protect it during extreme temperatures. So last year what happened, I kept one of the plants in the pot and kept it in the garage. So I thought that I will grow it as an annual, and the next year in the spring I will bring that plant out. But what happened was that it just started bolting as soon as I took it out of the garage in early spring, and it started producing a lot of seeds. So if the winter is not mild in your region, then it is better that you grow new plants every year than just trying to protect the same plant, and it doesn't work. You will get lot of seeds but hardly any leaves. You can start the seeds indoor in late winter or sow them outdoor in early spring, that is between the months of February and April. And of course it depends on the temperature in your region when you have the spring in your region. But typically during these months you can start planting the seeds. The temperature has to be above 60 degrees Fahrenheit or 16 degrees Celsius because that is the best time to start the seeds. And the germination time is about 1 to 2 weeks. Fresh seeds will germinate faster. 1 year back, when I was removing the plants from my beds, I just dropped some of the seeds in the same bed and they just sprouted on their own as soon as the temperature started getting better in early spring and the freeze was over, and that time they sprouted and I didn't even have to do anything special about them. As summer approaches, the plant starts growing faster and faster and it looks like snakes that time. You will have to stake them or they just fall down on the ground and the leaves will get dirty. The leaves are quite distinct and they are very shiny and firm looking. When you cut the leaves, they are somewhat slimy. The leaves are attached on either side of these plump vines that are deep pink in color. Both the leaves and the stems are edible. Because of their distinct appearance, the plants bring a lot of beauty to your garden. As the plant matures, flowers start forming on these flowering stems. Malabar spinach flowers are also unusual and they are pink and white in color. They look like tiny succulents. These flowers then develop these berry-like green fruits. And fruits are attached to the flowering stems and they look like cute buttons. When the fruits mature, they become purple in color and gradually turn almost black. This process takes several weeks. Once the fruits are mature, they are plump and mushy with a hard round seed inside. The fruit juice can be used to make dyes. When you crush the fruits in between your fingers, a deep pink or purple color oozes, and that is easily washable. The fruits continue to mature and eventually splits open and the seeds are released. The seeds fall down in the soil and they can grow new plants on their own. At this point, you can just harvest the seeds and save them for the next season. You can let the seeds dry for around 1 to 2 weeks, and when the seeds are completely dried, they look like black pepper seeds. And then you can save them in a container or a plastic bag and save them in cool, dry and dark place. Not many pests attack these plants, and that is a good news, so you can grow them worry-free. The common pests that attack sometimes are the nematodes, leaf miners, tarnished plant bugs and some fungal infections. Personally, I haven't faced much pest trouble with these plants in the 2 to 3 years that I have grown them. I see occasional holes but not much. Possibly my garden helpers like anoles and beneficial insects, they are doing their job properly, so I don't have to worry about it. I hope from this video you get enough information to grow this plant if you haven't done it already. And I'm going to make another video for growing the same plant using cuttings. So you can grow Malabar spinach using the cuttings, and it is also very easy method, and I'm going to show you that in my next video, that is part 2 of Malabar spinach.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like the channel, please subscribe to my channel Seed to Life and post your suggestions in the comment sections below. Click on the bell icon to get notified about the new videos and updates. Thank you again. See you soon.